Hi guys, we received this very nice in 5 pieces induction aluminum cookware set. So it's really nice. As you can tell, it's made from induction kitchens. So let's take them out of here and look at them. Okay, first here we have one lid and it's quite nice. Side, it's a small lid, and here is a bigger one. Okay, I like that they have this design on the lid so it doesn't touch your hand with the glass, which is nice. In here, first thing we see is this saucepan. It's 16 centimeters, which is nice. They all come very well packed with this bubble wrap, so you don't have to worry about it. And little saucepan. This is really nice. I like a lot the handle. It feels great. In here, I've got a little fry pan. Okay, now to make some breakfast, some eggs, something more like personal stuff. Small, perfect size. Okay, this one is 20 centimeters, and we got a bigger one. Okay. This one is 24 centimeters, which is really nice to cook for more than just one person. As you can see, has a lot of difference, more space to cook. They're really nice. They don't weigh that much. They have nice weight to themselves. They look amazing. I like these high walls so you don't spill anything. And this lid can go in here, and a saucepan the other way. Okay, so they are actually really nice. So I will really recommend it.